Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove or add players to your team. So as you can see, you can go to the website cricclubs.com/ARCL. This website will work on your desktop as well as on your mobile browser as well. I will go ahead and click login. I'm logging in using my user ID and password. Once I sign in, it takes me to my team. As you can see, this is my team and I'm the current captain. And it shows me the list of players in the team currently. All the captains can see both these buttons enabled, update team and add players. You can use this add players to add new players to your team who have not yet registered in Crick Clubs. If you want to update team, basically add existing players from other team or available players, or you want to remove a player from your current team, you can go ahead and use the update team option. When you click update team, it takes you to this page where it on the right hand side it shows you the current team members. If you want to remove any player, you can click this player, move it to the list of available players, and go ahead and update. Similarly, if you want to pick up an available player who's not assigned to any team, you can select that player, move it to your team, and that player becomes available over here, and then you go ahead and update. As soon as you do this, the player will be available. This option you can use in case a player moves from in the new season, the player moves from an old team to a new team. In that case, the old team captain can remove the player, and the new team captain can move the player to the current team. Also, as you can see, there is an option to even select a different captain. So the current team captain, in case the captain is not going to be available for some time, the captain can assign someone else as the new captain, and then the new captain can will be able to manage the team. So this is the option where you want to update a team by selecting existing players. In case they want to add a player who's not yet registered in Crick Clubs, then the preferred option is to use this add player option. When you click add players, it will give an option to enter the first name, last name, and the email ID. You go ahead and put an email ID which is not yet registered with Crick Clubs. I'll just put a sample email ID, and then you click validate. This will validate to make sure that the email ID is not in use, and you go ahead and submit the data. Once you click submit data, that person will get an email, and the person can sign up on Crick Clubs using that email ID and password in the email, and claim their profile. With this option, the player is immediately available for scoring, as well as there is no approval needed. So this is the preferred option where the team captain can go ahead and add the player with their first name, last name, and email ID, and there is absolutely no approval needed. The person can claim their profile, and the player is also immediately available in the team. However, now we saw two options, which is basically adding existing players as well as adding a totally new player. However, if that player is registered but not on ARCL but through some other league like NWCL or Tapework, and they already have an existing Crick Clubs ID, the team captain cannot add those players. The team captain will have to send an email to ARCL admin scorecard, and ARCL admin scorecard team, they can add that player and assign that player to the appropriate team. Also, if there is no captain assigned to the team, then they have to send an email to ARCL admin, and they get assigned the captain from the list of existing players. Now there is one more option. We saw an option to add update teams using from existing players or add a totally new player. There is one more option for a totally new player to log in, which is basically to create the profile and get assigned to a team. Is basically they can go ahead and register over here, and in this case they fill their first name, last name, email ID. However, the drawback of this option is they can select their team, but however the drawback is with this process the ASL admin has to approve their profile. So this is not preferred. The preferred way is for the team captain. Once the team captain is assigned, the preferred way is for the team captain to go ahead and add players, which is using this add players option. If the player is already on Quick Clubs, then they can use the update team option. Thank you.